10 diseases that fasting can help heal naturally. Welcome to our channel. Today, we explore a powerful and ancient healing secret, fasting, and how it can naturally heal many diseases without medication. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this message of health and hope. 1. Type 2 diabetes. Fasting helps to balance blood sugar and insulin. Many people have reversed early-stage diabetes just by fasting regularly. 2. Alzheimer's and brain conditions. Fasting activates brain repair, improving memory and protecting against diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. 3. Heart disease and high blood pressure. By reducing cholesterol and pressure, fasting protects your heart and blood vessels. 4. Obesity and metabolic syndrome. Fasting helps burn fat and rebalance hormones, leading to natural weight loss and energy. 5. Inflammation-based diseases. From arthritis to asthma, fasting calms inflammation and gives your immune system a break. 6. Digestive disorders. Fasting gives your gut time to rest and heal from issues like bloating, IBS, and acid reflux. 7. Cancer prevention. Through a process called autophagy, fasting helps your body destroy damaged cells and prevent cancer. 8. Fatty liver disease. Fasting reduces fat in the liver and improves its function naturally. 9. Depression and anxiety. Fasting boosts brain chemicals that lift your mood and calm your mind. 10. Chronic pain and joint issues. By reducing inflammation, fasting brings relief to those suffering from chronic pain and joint stiffness. Fasting is not a miracle, it's God's wisdom in nature. When done wisely, it brings healing to body, soul, and spirit. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, please give us a thumbs up, comment your thoughts, and subscribe for more natural healing content. God bless you.